My name is Wambugu Kariuki. I'm a member of the National Hospital Insurance Fund Staff Retirement Benefit Scheme. It is a defined contribution scheme, and we currently have a membership of about 2,000 people, actually just slightly over 2,000. Thank you. The workshop is a great one. I have not attended a Finnet Institute workshop or training before, and this was a great opportunity for me to come, one, to learn the many areas that we have learned, and also to be able to interact with my fellow trustees in other schemes. It was actually a great experience and even time for us to network, and I've enjoyed every moment of it. I'm satisfied with the facilitators. I actually really appreciate Finnet the way they actually invited a wide range of facilitators from the government, from the private sector. It was a worthy experience.